Stop scrolling. What if you could use a free AI tool to start a side hustle this week with no followers and no coding skills? It's not a fantasy, it's happening right now. I'm about to give you 5 ridiculously simple copy paste methods that can let AI help pay your rent. You don't need to be a tech genius. The tools are free and easier to use than setting up a social media account. Section 1, Side Hustle Number 1. AI storybooks on Amazon KDP. First, turn imaginary stories into actual cash with AI storybooks on Amazon KDP. The market for children's books is evergreen. Here's the blueprint. Use ChatGPT to generate wild story ideas like a radish who dreams of being a superhero. Then use an AI image generator like Midjourney to create illustrations. Assemble your text and images in a free tool like Canva using their book templates and publish them on Amazon KDP. You create it once and it can sell forever. Section 2, Side Hustle Number 2, Faceless YouTube Shorts with AI Voice. Next, conquer YouTube without ever showing your face. The strategy is to find a weird micro niche like historical facts about medieval spoons. Use a tool like Pictory to instantly turn a script into a short video with stock footage. For the voice, use a hyper-realistic AI voice generator like 11 Labs. Upload 3 snippets a day. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you start earning ad revenue from a highly engaged audience. Section 3, Side Hustle Number 3, Prompt Packs on Etsy. People will pay for expertly crafted AI prompts that get excellent results. You can sell these on Etsy. Bundle together 50 specific Midjourney prompts designed to create vintage farmhouse wall art. Package them as a simple PDF and list it. Digital products are wonderful because you create them once and they sell infinitely. You're not just selling prompts, you're selling time and convenience. Section 4, Side Hustle Number 4, AI Chatbots for Local Shops. Assist local businesses and earn revenue in the process. Every bakery, salon, or hardware store answers the same questions over and over. Using a no-code platform like ManyChat, you can build them an AI chatbot that answers FAQs, books appointments, and collects customer emails 24/7. Charge a simple setup fee plus a small monthly retainer for maintenance. It's a real solution to a real business problem. Section 5, Side Hustle Number 5, AI Newsletter in a Weekend. Become a content curator with an AI-powered newsletter on a platform like Substack. Instead of writing from scratch, use an AI tool like Perplexity to find and summarize 5 new articles in your niche. Then just add your opinion or a personal story and schedule it. Once you grow your free subscriber list, you can turn on paid subscriptions for a recurring monthly income. Conclusion: you now have the blueprints for 5 distinct AI income streams that require zero experience and zero cash to start. The biggest mistake is waiting for perfection or becoming stuck in a cycle of watching tutorials. Just start. Your first attempt won't be perfect, but it will be done. So here's your challenge. Pick one. Give it an honest try for 30 days. Drop a comment below with the hustle you're going to try, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the deep dive tutorials. Let's go get it.